little shadow in my rig. I'ma show you how to take it to the face, like. I just did it, that my brain be dripping sweat. I just did it, that my brain be dripping sweat. I just did it, that my brain be dripping sweat. I'm so high, right, can't feel my face. I'm so high right now, I can't feel my face. Put a little shadow in my rig, heat it up, I'm the motherfucking dab man. Got pounds.
Skeletons, hi, thank you so much for viewing. I appreciate your support and I hope you enjoy this new video.
Dab man. I got THC, I got CBD, all that.
I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills number 20 on my eyebrows. And then I have my Real Technique brush 402 to blend my eyelid, and then I'm going to set them with MAC Medium Plus, also using my Real Technique number 300 brush. And what I like to do is I like to dab through so that way there will be no oily creases, because I do have oily lids with or without primer. But even for the shadow, because I don't like to depend on the eyeshadow without setting my lids with a finished powder or a loose powder. Dabbing right through with my Real Technique 300 brush before we head to eyeshadow. Alright, we are going to go in with Pageant Queen off of MannyMua's palette. Don't forget to check out the full song by Minty Burns, Dab Man. Now I'm going to go in with Kai Kai, and I'm going to blend that in with Pageant Queen. I took a clean Morphe M507 brush and I am going to lightly blend the top of my shadow. I'm now using Morphe M506 to blend Pageant Queen a little bit more in. I'm now going to go in with Day Slayer 15D palette color in the crease by Morphe. Okay, I'm just going to slightly blend my upper inner corner. Alright, I know it looks a little rough, but we're going to do this smoothly. And then we're going to go back in with Kai Kai and we're going to blend that in the middle with our orange and our purple. So I am going to add more product throughout the time that I am blending, just to make it look slightly more dramatic. But it's all up to you if you want more darker, if you want it more of a lighter blend. It's all up to you. So I did blend the top of my shadow with the Morphe M507. And then I also used a Morphe brush. I'm just not sure which one, but for my pink shadow I did use Morphe R939. Go in once more with my Morphe M514 and add some orange.
Wanna hang with us and take a
Alright, before I cut my crease, I'm gonna go in once more with my Morphe M514 and blend a little bit more orange in my upper inner corner. Alright, I'm gonna slightly blend some purple, not too much because I am gonna blend when I add the blue. Alrighty, now we're gonna add the color blue, which is called Fishy on the palette. And we're just gonna slap that right on, and then eventually we're gonna blend the blue with the purple. I am using Morphe M213 to slightly add my blue under my conceal line. Okay, I know this looks a little rough, but I'm actually trying to go as soft as I can. I'm also going to blend slightly in my crease, not too much, just slightly, and then I'm going to go back in with some pink right below my brow bone, and then I'm going to blend. Okay, to do my concealer liner, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills number 20 with Coconut Flakes 10N. Alright, skeletons, well, I'm not a pro at eyeliner, so please don't judge me, but I really tried my best. I'm usually not too good when I do a black eyeliner, but this came out a little better than I thought. Alright, so after I finish up my wing, I am gonna go under my eyes with Pageant Queen, the purple. I'm gonna add the pink, and then I'm gonna slightly blend my pink with Snatched, which is like a reddish color. And I'm gonna go in with the yellow on my liner, which is called Campy on the palette. I am using Morphe M213. Just slightly add onto your wing. So just fill that in the best you can. Glitter is from Beauty Creations Gold Mine GBC05. I'm gonna go with MAC prep+prime, including the essential oils, along with Farsali and Huda Beauty Matte Perfection. I'm gonna use my True Complexion corrector on all my dark areas. Using my LA Girl green corrector, I'm gonna go over that big pimple and some more red spots. So of course I'm gonna spray my brush, and then I'm gonna blend my conceal, and then I'm gonna spray again, and then I'm gonna conceal the rest of that. Now I know it's gonna look a little funky, but we're gonna blend that through, and then I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Bright Future concealer. I did spray a Morphe brush. It does not have the number, it has worn off already, but I do like to conceal my face. I feel that sometimes the foundation does not mix well when you just go over the corrector. So if you're not a full coverage soul, maybe this wouldn't be recommended for you, but I mean, I do like to have full coverage all the time. It'll be sometimes rare if I wear light makeup. So I did spray away my sponge using my MAC Prime Plus, and I also used Morphe setting spray. I'm done blending my face. I am gonna go in with some Morphe spray. Now I'm gonna contour my face using Morphe C1.65. I'm gonna get that on, and then we're gonna get to contouring the rest of my face. I'm gonna use Gillette 440 Espresso, and I'm also using NARS Medium Dark. So I am gonna contour my cheeks, of course, my nose, because that's one of my insecurities, my chin, and I'm just gonna go right in and blend with my Real Technique setting brush, one of my favorite brushes. I usually like to use it to conceal, but once I started contouring with it, I fell in love. I'm gonna use Medium Plus from MAC, and I'm just gonna dab right under my eyes, behind my nose, my forehead, under my nose, and my chin. I'm gonna really keep the oily skin away, and I'm gonna go in with my banana bread loose powder from HUDA Beauty. This stuff smells amazing, guys. Oh my god. Alright, skeletons, now we're gonna contour using Benefit, Amber, and Morphe bronzer. Take that banana bread again and just exaggerate my cheekbones. So I'm gonna contour the rest of my face and let that bake and bake something else. I added my blush from Patrick Star. Now I'm gonna highlight my face using True Complexion 3D highlighter palette in First Class. And then I'm going another round with the spray and some more highlight. I guess you can say there's many ways to highlight your face, but this is the way I like to. Alright, skeletons, sorry I did not have a good angle on my lipstick, but for the record, the white liner is to make my lips look fuller. Now I'm just gonna contour my nose and finish up. Okay, skeletons, that's it for now. Thanks for viewing. I hope you enjoyed this look just as much as I enjoyed sharing with you. Please don't hesitate to like and subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Roxy Rants, for more updates. Thank you.